Are you ready to turn your home into a Mardi Gras paradise? Wondering how to create show-stopping decorations that scream festive flair without breaking the bank? Stay tuned because we're diving into the most creative, budget-friendly, and totally DIY-able Mardi Gras decoration ideas. Let's make your celebration unforgettable. How can you create a DIY Mardi Gras wreath? A DIY wreath is a fantastic way to welcome guests with style and creativity. Here's how to make your own. 1. Base materials. Start with a grapevine or foam wreath base. Wrap it in Mardi Gras ribbons or tulle in gold, green, and purple. 2. Embellishments. Add beads, feathers, and small masks to your wreath for a unique, eye-catching design. 3. Final touch. Top it off with a bold bow or fleur-de-lis to complete the festive look. Got creative? Share your thoughts in the comments below. How can you decorate a Mardi Gras-inspired photo booth? A photo booth adds excitement and memories to your Mardi Gras celebration. Here's how to make it shine. 1. Backdrop magic. Create a backdrop with purple, gold, and green streamers, or use a fabric with Mardi Gras patterns. 2. Props galore. Provide masks, crowns, boas, and signs with Mardi Gras phrases for guests to pose with. 3. Lighting effects. Add string lights or fairy lights to illuminate your booth and make photos pop. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative DIY ideas. How can you incorporate Mardi Gras themes into desserts? Desserts are a creative way to reinforce the festive vibe. Here's how to jazz them up. 1. King cake cupcakes. Make mini king cakes or cupcakes with purple, green, and gold frosting. 2. Decorated cookies. Use Mardi Gras-shaped cookie cutters and colorful icing to create themed cookies. 3. Layered parfaits. Serve desserts in layers of purple, gold, and green to mimic the festive colors. Love what you see? Check out the description for products featured in this video. How can you make Mardi Gras-themed party favors? Party favors are a wonderful way to thank guests while extending the Mardi Gras theme. 1. Beads and trinkets. Fill small organza bags with colorful beads, mini masks, and coins. 2. DIY treat bags. Decorate bags with Mardi Gras symbols and fill them with candies, cookies, or cupcakes. 3. Custom keepsakes. Create personalized keychains or ornaments featuring Mardi Gras designs. Want the products seen in this video? Check the description for details. What are some outdoor decoration ideas for Mardi Gras? Transform your yard or porch into a Mardi Gras spectacle that wows everyone passing by. 1. Porch swag. Drape colorful fabric and beads over railings and add themed banners to your porch. 2. Yard ornaments. Use oversized masks, decorated wreaths, or DIY jester hats as lawn decor. 3. Lighting display. Add string lights in Mardi Gras colors to create a magical evening ambiance. For more outdoor decoration ideas, check the description for similar videos. What are some unique DIY table decor ideas for Mardi Gras? Your table can be the centerpiece of the celebration. Here are some fun, easy ideas. 1. Glittering centerpieces. Use gold-painted wine bottles or vases filled with beads and feathers as striking table centerpieces. 2. Mardi Gras masks. Place decorated masks on stands or holders for a dramatic and festive look. 3. Festive table settings. Use Mardi Gras-themed plates, napkins, and cups to tie the theme together. Want more? Check out our playlist in the description for similar videos. What are the essential elements of Mardi Gras decorations? Mardi Gras decorations revolve around vibrant colors, iconic symbols, and festive accessories. Start with these essentials to set the perfect party vibe. 1. Colors of Mardi Gras. Use purple, just green, faith, and gold, power, in decorations like streamers, tablecloths, and balloons. 2. Masks and beads. Incorporate traditional Mardi Gras masks and beaded garlands as wall decor or centerpieces. 3. Add fleur-de-lis accents and colorful feathers to elevate your decorations with a New Orleans touch. Like these ideas? Don't forget to like, share, and spread the festive vibes. Now you're armed with everything you need to create dazzling DIY Mardi Gras decorations that will make your celebration unforgettable. From vibrant wreaths and photo booths to festive desserts, your party will capture the spirit of New Orleans. So, what's your first DIY project? Let me know in the comments below.